How you doing? Gary Teeter here at Apple Chevrolet with Teeter's Tips of the Day. Today we're looking at a 2018 Chevy Colorado. This is the second generation of Colorado. It first appeared in 2004. Under the current configuration of 215, they did a whole different body design change and changed the model. New for the 18, there is no 4-cylinder option anymore. It's all 6-cylinder. Or you can get a diesel model. Very capable, so if you're going to tow, this vehicle will give you 308 horsepower, 275 pounds of torque, and you have a towing capacity of 7,000 pounds. So what I wanted to show you, excellent for somebody that's towing a camper, a boat, things of that nature. So just want to show you a few things, a nice tip for you, especially if you are someone that likes to trail or something and you're by yourself. So come on into the vehicle and I'm going to show you real quick what we're talking about. Colorado is equipped with a nice backup camera, which when you put it in reverse, you'll see the camera comes on. But a good trick for someone that's by themselves, instead of having a spotter, traditionally when you want to pull up to your boat or your camper, a good way to do this yourself is to come back here. A little trick I learned a few years ago is to open the tailgate. And what you want to do is take one of these tailgate straps, place it above here, and what happens is the camera is going to shoot down to the trailer hitch. So when you're reversing your vehicle, instead of having somebody showing you, hey, you got to go to the left, right, you'll see that the camera shoots straight down to the trailer hitch, so you can pull it right to the vehicle. The also nice thing about the Colorado, as far as the connectivity, the new models are equipped with the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. So up to 50 feet around the vehicle itself becomes a hotspot. So if you're out there camping and you want to get internet access and have everything work, the vehicle itself works. Now you do need to have a data package, which you can get through OnStar, or they have an agreement with AT&T, you can use that. So the other thing I wanted to show you, inside the vehicle, if the cameraman could give me the courtesy of come on in and have a seat on the other side here. If your vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay, you'll see a projection icon. So what you do is you take your cord. Apple's very stringent on their technology and protecting it. So what you want to do is plug your cord into the area here. And you want to take this to your iPhone. Now, we're going to activate it. If you do this correctly, you're going to see the icon change from projection to this screen right here. Great for having your navigation for your phone brought to the screen. So alrighty. So if you're out and about in unfamiliar area, great way to bring up a map to make it easier for you. So instead of looking down at your phone, you have it right in the screen. So thank you for coming out and taking a moment with Teeter Tips. And hopefully we see you next time. Thank you.